Okay, guys, any questions? So if you swing, is it when you don't see any roadblocks? Yes, when I don't see any roadblocks, so I can swing. Mm. Okay, wait, some of you ask me about this. Okay, some of you ask me about the take profit. Should I sell? Okay, for example, we find direction in H4. We find direction in H4, and then we found QM in M15. And then you guys ask me, oh, it means that this is the place for us to TP, right? Guys, from here to here is so sikit, it's so small, okay? It's until the next roadblock. For example, here, we found double marble, so until here, we TP. Okay, so this one you can consider as TP1, and this one is you can consider TP2 if you're afraid. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am?
guys. Hello.
Yeah, hello, ma'am. I have a question. Like for QM reversal, the break, do you consider the QM break with the wicks or candle body?
I prefer body more than the wick.
Okay, so if it breaks with the wick, you don't consider it as a break.
You mean what? You mean the QM? I'm not talking about direction. We're talking about the setups, right?
Yes. Like
Yes, yes.
this break, you can, if it's by wick, you don't
Oh,
consider
you
as a
mean
break.
by wick. I prefer
Yes.
the body, not the wick. I prefer the body more
Okay.
because the price will manipulate you only just for wick. So I prefer the body more than the wick. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, guys, any questions?
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Yes, can you please open the gold, open gold chart?
Chart gold.
Okay, so as of now, okay, 1 hour, I can see there are multiple setups waiting there. So I have marked the necessary levels. Can you go back further?
To where?
Just a little bit more. Back further. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Here. Yeah. Okay. So I marked the area, the 179780, the higher low shoulder at the 29 November.
29 November.
29 November.
29 November.
12 p.m.
Here?
The shoulder, the left shoulder.
Okay. The left shoulder.
The left shoulder, the higher one, in the middle.
Is it buy or sell?
This one is for sell setup. So I just want to check if the level is correct because I can see if the wick at the top there, the head, Yeah, that
You
one.
mean this?
Yes, that's correct. That is the left shoulder.
Okay.
So the head is at the middle there.
Okay.
On this one is for the future. Can you mark it on the to the right?
To the right.
Yeah, to the right, to the future price. So this is my reading, if it's correct. The price haven't reached this level yet, so you need to mark it all over the to the right.
I have to mark more.
Yeah, mark more. Yeah, so the price haven't reached here yet, so I just want to check whether we mark here, or is it legit to mark at the top instead at the week?
Why we have to mark here? The price already exceed this price.
It's not from that side. It's on the. Can I mark?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, sorry, my mouse not working.
Oh.
Just hold on. How do I? How do I mark?
You go
Annotate.
you go to annotate. You can draw it.
Annotate.
Options or more, you can annotate it.
Hold on now. Cannot see. Which is option?
All right. You are talking of which time frame right now? H1, H4?
Yeah, this is the correct time frame.
Okay.
So where is annotate? Sorry, I am not familiar with Zoom.
It's okay.
Okay.
View option above. Okay. Chat. Pin, hide non-participant. View option. Oh, annotate. Okay. Stem arrow. Is it mouse? No.
No, but it's okay. So what you're looking for right now?
Okay.
Draw. Yes, you can
yeah,
draw.
Okay. So this level, this is the high. This is the left shoulder, and the price is not yet returned here. So I have marked this area, but then I see there is this one, this little one. So we go to the smaller time frame, such as 5 minutes, I think. Can we go to 5 minutes?
Okay. 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Does this one can be considered as the left shoulder?
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
Because there is a is that
I understand.
Is that the
It means that to identify the left shoulder of the QM, you don't know how
That
to
is
identify.
correct. That is correct. That's my question.
Okay, good. Yeah. Have you watched my previous video in my YouTube about how to choose the candle?
Yes,
the left shoulder, right?
Hmm.
Okay. If you go here, it looks like this one is left shoulder. Okay, so you're going to mark here.
Mhm.
All right. But if the price only break in here, and then most probably the price will come back and retrace here and continue fall. But right now the price has gone too far. The price has gone too far. So we don't know which candle, like maybe, wait, I'm going to delete this. Maybe the price going to react here, or maybe the price is going to react here. So we don't know. So this is not how to identify, for example, that if it occurs, if the price break until here, the price, okay, for example, the price break until here, you can consider the price will come back and continue fall. But this case, the price has gone too far, really too far.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay. Understood. Okay. So
Even if you switch to the higher time frame, it goes into week. It's not nice, by the way. So
Oh,
yeah.
okay. So it's much better to opt for the left shoulder, which is high.
Yeah, we
that
need
one.
the clear one. Yeah.
Okay, understood. Understood. Thank you.
Okay.
Teacher, we use the directions on Mantis Fresh, right?
What? Sorry.
We use the directions on like the Marubozu double Maru zone for direction when it is fresh.
Yeah, I prefer fresh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Teacher, how do we fit in danger zone in this scenario? Have you found like we have reached like danger zone, but there is directions for sell, for example?
Danger zone and direction. For me, danger zone is not direction. It's just like it's price break, its structure. For example, like I used to say, I used to show you about the danger zone, right? Have you watched my hybrid? Okay, this is hybrid, and then the price break the structure. Okay, and then we switch to the higher time frame. The price make what? The price make manipulation. Make sure this manipulation doesn't break danger zone. So this is danger zone. So yeah, we can consider buy in this area because price doesn't break danger zone. So this is we back to basic structure. Yeah, you clear? You understand so far?
So it means that if the price has touched or break the structure, but we still find the sell direction, is it okay to sorry? If we find the buy direction,
what do you mean?
Let me try to annotate.
Okay, sure. Okay.
So if the price has touched the danger zone and then but reject it, and we find let's say another direction double Morbozo in here, and another setup, let's say. So is it a valid full margin buy, or do you not take full margin?
Yes, can. As long as got setup, as long as got direction, then yeah. Why not? We can full margin.
Even though it has already touched danger zone, yeah. Okay.
Oh, already touched the danger zone. Yes, can.
Okay, noted, teacher.
Okay. Any questions, guys? So far, you understand, yeah, my 4 direction, but you have to know that my favorite direction is setup inside setup and double marbles, the MD1. That's my most favorite lah. But sometimes I just entry if there's any direction like DMD2 or blind spot direction. But mostly I love DMD1 and setup inside setup direction. Yeah. Like setup inside setup. Let me show you. This one also actually setup inside setup. Okay, this QM got direction just now in daily. It's DMD1 and got setup inside setup SNRC1. And also it's we have QM, for example, you guys also afraid want to entry this QM. So what you do, you go to the lower time frame, look for any setup. Okay, press start reject and make setup. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Okay. And then press continue, fall. And at the same time, this QM also got direction in daily. Okay, double marble zero. Okay, so far you understand, guys? Everything's clear? Okay. So, you know, the most important is you just need to practice and you search for it. You know, like in my assignment group, they all keep searching. Some of them, they cannot be patient. They entry. Yeah, but some of them, they afraid, still afraid, and they do practice. They keep on practice. Okay, set out direction, set out direction. Yeah. When we'll have the breakdown session and conference principal, yes, as soon as possible, I will tell to admin. Okay, so crystal clear, good. With this setup, how do you put your PO at what price? I usually put my PO after I found direction and I found setup. So for example, that this price didn't come in yet, I will put my PO because why? Because I found direction. So I just put my PO. I don't mention price. I just mark. I usually don't mention price. I just mark something like this. Yeah.
So teacher, you can only mark the wick or the body, one or any of them.
I like to mark the body rather than wick because before I usually mark the wick, but you know, the price didn't touch and they just go. You know, we missed the bus. So I was so frustrated. So after that, I just marked. If you find direction, you find QM, why not? You just risk a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, teacher, I have a question.
Yeah.
So you see the Fantastic Five, one of them is the SNRC, is for continuing on the trends, for continue. So let's say we're on the SNRC setup, potential setup, bearing in mind we're predicting that it's going to continue. Because how do we know that it's not going to become, how do we, what are the signs to tell that that SNRC won't become a QMR? Is there any way to tell, or because sometimes
because as an RC you cannot identify where's the direction.
You can't.
Okay, mostly let me show you. I think it happened, but you have to know that as an RC setup, they are very seldom happen. What I show you here, what always happens is
like, yeah, I've come across an SNRC, and it became a QMR. It was weird.
Oh, yeah. SNRC become QMR.
Yeah.
Can you show me where? Let me see.
It was a while back. I will try to find the page. I don't.
What pair?
It was on GJ.
What?
GJ.
GJ. Okay.
Yeah. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, just answer any questions. I'm just gonna look for it on my account somewhere. No, I can't find it.
You can find it.
No.
Yeah.
It was like
If
2
I
weeks
don't know
ago,
how.
but I can't find it.
Um.
I'm gonna go on the app and manually look for it.
Okay. Yeah. You want to also receive.
So there's no way like to avoid for us to have any signs or any way for us to tell because the QMR can happen anywhere, right?
Yeah, QMR can be anywhere, a lot. Like I show you, some of them work, some of them not, doesn't work, you know. So you have to know that it's because of the direction. Okay. Yeah. All right. Guys, any question? When looking for sell setup, okay, sell setup, price comes from a higher time frame bullish. Okay, from higher time frame bullish. The MD1 without low time frame setup. Is it okay to take the sell? Okay, some, but it's not always happen when the price comes from the bullish and higher time frame. You have to be careful because you know actually the MD1, they are inside the MD1 is a major demand zone. Major demand zone. So you have to be careful. If you saw for sell setup, you have to wait for a rejection. For example, something like this. It came from the bullish, you know, so I'm scared. I also scared, but I'm not going to sell, but I'll wait for the rejection. You know, rejection setup. This is very important. Don't be the first person to sell here. It's so high risk. Okay. Just wait for rejection, wait for the setup, and then you can go with it. Okay. All right, guys. Any questions so far? What do you rate about my my direction? Is it easy for you, or you need time to absorb, or how do you think it's easy? Good. Very easy. Thank you so much. I'm really glad to know that. Where did my mentor learn? To be honest, my mentor learned by himself. And I don't know, I don't want to tell more, but he's the one who create the setup. Because he's old now, so he create the structure. He identified from 1990 something. So yeah, this direction, he's the one who found it. Extremely easy compared to some of things I've done from Forex. Yes, good, thank you. We want to make money, make it easier. Don't be so headache. I'm going to give this notes. No worries. Okay. I focused gold only because gold is very easy money, and it's the gold is very very generous of giving setups, you know. So that's why I love gold. But sometimes if gold is not in the mood, or we see nothing in gold, so I will switch to maybe GBP, maybe Bitcoin, or any pair that I can make money. Okay. This one you don't need to be practiced like practice so much. You just, because now you know direction, you already know fantastic five. So yeah, you don't need to be expert in what if you're good in news, if you're good in Elliott waves or whatever, you can go ahead with it. Because you know some traders, they still have to use what is it called, indicator, and they cannot get rid because they so get used to indicator. Yeah, you can, but the cons is that you cannot see the double mar, you cannot see the direction well if you use the indicator. It's really disturbing. Yeah, but if you get used to it, so it's okay. Will you explain to us on the reason of entry during compounding? Like you will tell us what type of setups. Guys, if you already know, once I mark, when I mark, you will be automatically know what setup or what direction is this when I mark that I'm going to entry here and there, here and there. No worries. Man, which GBP pairs you recommend? I don't know. I like GBP New Zealand. If I don't find setup, GBP New Zealand, I will go to GBP USD or GBP JPY. But I like GBP New Zealand. I don't know why. Thank you. Thank you so much. How to apply QM manipulation with DMD1? QM manipulation. This is QM manipulation. You have to know that QM manipulation is not always happen. It's not always occurs. Like, I don't know, during my compounding it occurs. I was like, wow. We have QM manipulation, and we also have the MD1. See the MD1? We have the MD1 here. But you have to know that QM manipulation is not always occurs. Okay.
All right, we will take
Oh,
we will take 2 to 3 more questions because it's already 2 p.m. and a lot of them are leaving already as well because some of them need to go as well. So we're going to take another 2 or 3 more questions. Then teacher Nora also need to rest as well. So any more questions?
Yeah, here is also the MD2. This one, the MD2. You see that? Okay, and then price make rejection. And then let's find setup. Yeah, we see setup here. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Okay. Yeah, and the one got the MD2. when is our next session about the conference principle and backtesting skills, I will announce in the next group, in the group. Yeah.
Can we ask more questions? Yes, you can ask questions in the Telegram group. I have created I have already created the link for you guys to join in the group support. So please go ahead and click the link right now. I will approve it after the class ends. Okay. Okay, teacher. Sorry. Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Ada soalan. Yeah,
can still entry if the one is being rejected the second time. All right, I'll show you another example also been rejected on the second time. Let me show you. When I want to show, it's gone. When I don't want to show, it's always appear. Wait, okay. Okay, what you see here. Make it big. What you see here is double Marubos. Okay, now we see double Marubozu, and then this price have rejected. Okay, but we didn't see any setup. There's nothing in here. Okay, and then price playing around, and then price came back and make setup. Do you know what setup is this? Okay, price make QM. They rejected, but there's no setup. And then price came back again and make rejection with setup. Remember, rejection is not enough. You have to wait for the setup. Okay. All right. You have to wait for the setup. Rejection, setup, rejection, setup. Okay. Understand?
All right, last question for the day. DMD1 plus rejection plus setup full margin. Yes, that's what the teacher Nora been sharing. All right. Last question, calling for once, calling for twice, and stop. Okay, no more. Thank you so much. So thank you so much, teacher Nora, for sharing. If you all got any further question, you could ask in the Telegram group. There will be a dual language. There will be in Bahasa Malaysia, Bahasa Melayu in Malay language, and Bahasa English. So if you have the question, you can ask in English, no problem. Teacher Nora or myself and the coordinator will answer in English. If you are unsure what is in what is stated in Bahasa, I could occasionally translate what they have communicated. All right. So other than that, I wish you all the best. You may, teacher, you want to say anything else? Any final say for them, teacher?
Good luck for you guys. Practice. Really, it really works if you practice, backtest, practice, backtest. Okay, I will show you in the next webinar about how to sharpen the skills in backtesting the direction. Okay.
When should we get the recording? Give me time for the conversion of this video because this video recording is approximately 4 hours. So it will take time to record. So be patient with me. I will send in the group chat or the group support. Yeah. Join the link. Remember, join the link. The links only exists for 24 hours. Subsequently, after that, thereafter, I will dissolve the billion group. I will dissolve. So you all will be all in the group support. All right. All of you will be group support. So with that, teacher Nora wishes all of you all the best, and she apologized again for being late just now, and all of us accepted and also apologize for being late. And I hope that you enjoy my 30-minute session just now. 30-minute session that you have learned something from my side as well. And I hope that you all benefited this session. So with that, thank you so much. You may leave this Zoom and I will send the video in the group support. So join the group support, please. And I'll talk to you all soon. I will stop the recording right now.